Porsche has 70 years of engineering prowess and technological innovation. Here we have one of the electric motors out of the new Porsche Taycan. Not many people get to see the internals that go into these electric cars, or better yet, know how to service them. Porsche has trained our technicians in order to be proficient with the future of the automotive industry. It is not a simple process to drop a Taycan motor and discharge it from the battery unit. The Taycan's motor connects with the rear motor, as well with the battery pack. The more electric vehicles are on the road, the more of them will need to be serviced. Although we are fans of the internal combustion engine, we know where the future lies, and the Porsche Taycan is the future of the automotive industry. Please welcome the Porsche Taycan.
Remember, we always under-promote and always over-deliver.